Here we have the Shore Bridge by ShoreStation. So one-of-a-kind dock. First off, you can obviously notice the coloring of the dock is different than anybody else's. We have a powder-coated dock. It's a tan beige color, very easy on the eyes. It's got baked-in silica, so it actually is grippy when wet. It does have a convex to it so that the water does pool off of it when it's raining. It's cool to the touch, just like a motorcycle engine, pulls all the heat out of it. It's also built to structure. If you notice our legs, they got a little bit of camber on them, so the further down they go, the more stable they get. We try to do all roll-in style docking to make your life easy as a consumer. You'll also notice on the side we got the arch truss design, built like a bridge, nice and strong. Our legs are not cross-braced. They're built strong as is. I'll go through a little feature here on how to adjust your dock in the water. Do not have to get wet. Push it all in one shot, and then just jump on top with your drill and adjust the leg. Some of the options we got here is the adjustable glide pole with optional paddleboard holder, 4-foot dock bench. I also have a 6-foot dock bench in stock. The ladder, a very popular feature. The Eon dock chair, as well as the gear tower and solar light. Down at the Boat and Sportsman Show, we're going to have unbelievable pricing on our docking here. So if you want to come on down, we have some pre-made dock sections, all discounted for the show. These are the most popular sections we got. ShoreStation's throwing in $500 American if you buy a dock section over 80 feet. So come on down, it's a great option for you, about $675 Canadian, so it really helps you out. All the pricing is down here. If this doesn't suit your fancy, I can definitely build you your exact dock section that you want with adjustable legs, the exact depth, everything that you want for your dock.